Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by validating prerequisites so you do not get stuck later. Make sure the BSS server runs a supported OS with RDP available and you have an admin account. Once confirmed, enable remote desktop in the system settings and add an exception for port 3389 in the host firewall. Next, check network ACLs and confirm the server has a static IP or DNS name. If you need a service account, create one now with least privilege for remote access. Once the server is prepared, you focus on secure connectivity and authentication. If direct public access is required, allocate a public IP or configure NAT and restrict source IPs. Preferably, set up a VPN to avoid exposing RDP. Make sure network-level authentication is enabled so credentials are checked before a session starts. Also install a valid certificate or enable TLS for RDP to encrypt traffic. Finally, enforce strong password policies and, if possible, enable multi-factor authentication for the service account. You finish by configuring the client and verifying the connection in a controlled test. Open your RDP client, enter the server IP or DNS, include domain/username, and adjust the port if non-standard. Save the profile for repeat use. Then test with ping and a port check, followed by signing in through the client. If you cannot connect, check the server's remote desktop service, review firewall and router logs, inspect Windows Event Viewer for authentication errors, and confirm VPN or NAT rules are active.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.